What's up? Good morning, friends. Bet you this is a surprise, huh? Let's check out what Powell's gonna do. Mr. Powell, are you fired or not? I don't know. I hope so. I want our crypto pump. Who doesn't want a crypto pump? Let's see here. Try to get in on my own chat. There we go. Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning, friends. Shout out to all the friends. Read on. So I would like to see it rise and drop pretty hard, actually. Well, that 15-minute candlestick went right back up. Hilarious. Give it a wick. Give it a smooch. Yeah, no music. I tried the music thing, and everybody complains too much one way or another, so I'm just gonna not do it. No music on this channel. You guys actually have the luxury of playing any music you want while I sit here and jawbone, and we bully candlesticks around. What's up, Teddy Bear? Off near. Shout out, Mr. Butters. What's up? It's literally good morning everywhere, somewhere in the world at all times. Like it somewhere right now is morning time. People are just waking up. So it just makes sense, you know. Good morning, friends. And it's still morning for me, so I'm in the clear. What's up, Otto? Can you turn up the volume, please? You know, I can. It annoys me beyond belief because I got, what do you call it? A buzz in this professional stuff I got going on here. How's that? Is that better? Sound check, better. Testing, hot dog. How's that? Is that better? Sound check, better. Testing, hot dog. Much better. All right, 38 seconds. This is going to be fun. Let's do it, Chirp Owl. Chirp Owl. I think there's two, right? There's the actual meetings getting set up, and then there's him talking at 2:30 or something. All right, so essentially if we start flipping this into the midway point here into support, then I'll just consider myself entirely offside here. But because of the nature of NFP, it's basically, yeah, it's a gamble. You're just guessing. So let's hit the balanced range there. Now does it want to run away? Or does it run through it? Looks like it's going to pounce. Oh, what you got? What you got? So it's in my opinion, it's suckering in a bunch of longs right now. They're like, look, he's gonna get fired. He'll cut the rates. Blah blah blah. Where do we close? It's all about the close. That's not bad. That looks like fun. So once we get into this new week opening gap, how do we treat it? Do we start blasting off of it out of these sell stops? Or do we just start running it? Boom, fall through like butter. This is it right here. What you got? What is it you got for us? That's funny. So it's made an accumulation range and now it's wiped out both sides. So that's pretty much my line in the sand right here. Come on, butter. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where's Jake? Is he here? Jake, help me. Tell me something really obvious. I had this one student, if I was long and price was coming against me, he'd be like, oh, it's coming against you, man. And then it would turn around. He was such a good help. So that bullish order block here, this little guy, if that holds, we're cooked. Cooked, I tell you. But I really want it to go here. We just need somebody to say Powell wiggled his nose this way and he scratched his eyebrow while he said this word in cursive. And then all of a sudden price will start moving. What's up, Sniper Shark? Hee hee hee. Stas, what's up, bro? So, friend, we get a nothing burger on Jerome Powell. How will that? Look, it's the end of the month, bro. It's non-farm payroll week. It's the end of the month, and it's the beginning. Like, you have no idea how horrible the market conditions are just right when you walk in. It's like you're going to your house, or you're leaving your house and you're going to work, and it's snowing. Okay, well, you already know that you can't get your vehicle out because it's buried in 3 feet of snow. So you're just not going to go. You're going to be like, yo, unless you come and get me in a snowplow, I'm not coming to work today. That's just kind of what it is. You frame all these bad scenarios. NFP week, end of the month overlapping in the middle of the week, especially on a Friday. And look at it. So let it be a nothing burger because the beginning of next month is likely going to be fun. I'm doing great, Moto Savage. Thank you for asking. Are all those monitors really small or far away? Both, I guess. People think they're small. I don't know. I've been called eagle eye by many people my entire life. It's just normal. What you guys see is weirdness. It's normal. I'm also like almost 7 feet tall, 6.5 feet tall. Just a weirdo. All right, one more stab up maybe. Or do we just start flying? That would be funny. If we start flying, the short tomorrow is going to be hilarious. That's hot though. Nice order block on the new week opening gap. Bam. Right up into the premium bearish order block. Like that was a hot trade just there. But we know to wait at least 15 minutes. And probably like, I don't know, 2:45 or something. We're just studying everybody getting wrecked right now. How do you know everybody's getting wrecked? Well, look at it. It's not moving. It's chopping. So people who are breakout chasing, you're not having fun today. Mado, yeah, buddy. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. That's all you, man. I wish everybody could be as dope and profitable as you. You know, not all of my students got it. You were afforded such a beautiful opportunity to excel in the way that you did. So, you know, everybody's learning curve is going to be different. But to the people who left and gave up, you know, I wish I could do more for them. So, peacock, bro, pat yourself on the back. You did it. I just showed you how to play. Are you wearing a pulse chain hat? No, it's a NASDAQ hat. NASDAQ hat. Baby shark. Okay, getting up into this annoying range in here. Yeah, Kilo, thank you, bro. I told you I had some surprises for you guys coming up. You ain't seen nothing yet. Is there a reason you use 5 minute for range calculation for the wicks of the flout? So you use the wicks or the bodies, and the 5 minute is just the one the algorithm uses. So that's what we use. It's just what I was taught, and it makes sense. My candles are different. Yeah, you might need real time data. Oh, you were in the 15 minute. I don't know. Are you in the right contract? That's important. Sniper meow. I know, just relax, buddy. You're too emotional. Is this ICT person your mentor? Yes, sir. That is me mentor Michael. What's up, Dave? No sneaky Pete? No. No, YouTube will take away my dope privileges I got, so I'm gonna keep it cool. Gotta keep it cool on the sneaky Pete. Anson, he's like calling people on already. He just showed up. Painful, 1 more minute. And we'll see what she wants to get up to. So you notice that the first 15 minutes after the news release is just death. There's no point for you to try to engage if you're taking a payday scalp. It's a different story. But when you're looking for a banger home run, you're not trying to engage with price within the first 15 to 30 minutes after the release. And of course, Powell starts talking at 2:30, I think, right? So this is one of those weird days where you have a double, one at 2, one at 2:30. So you just gauge it. You just sit there patiently and wait. What's going on? Oh, it chopped everybody. Okay. What's going to go on the next 15-minute candle? Let's see. We're approaching the liquidity run. So let's see if it starts producing here. James Wynn, that guy's been wrong 17 times in a row, lost millions and millions of dollars If we get rate cuts, we pump. If we don't get the rate cuts, we pump. Do you understand? It's all noise. Bro, sit down. Sit down. Oh my goodness. Andrew Tate replied to you once. Oh, you're so cool. Bro, seriously, you suck. But thanks for letting us know exactly where the market's going. Your ability, Mr. Win, to call market direction with your liquidation prices and stop loss is by far none. Thank you. You've actually got us so much pizza, it's not even funny. So if you ever hear this, buddy, thank you. Personally, from me to you. Thanks. Over. Man, it's tough. It's tough. You got selling pressure wicks here and you got buying pressure wicks here. Yeesh. Try not to be too gross in the Discord, eh? That's right, I said it. I said A. Sue me. That's cat turd. That was cat turd on his 41st bar fight. I'm AI Badgery. I'm everywhere. Whenever it gets quiet, I just go check out the chat and see what Anson's saying. Spamming. Spamson. We'll call you Spamson. eh. Good night, Chirono Muay Thai. Good afternoon, John Doe. We just say good morning. Just literally just say good morning all the time. Be like, good morning, friends. Bye. You know? Good morning, friends. Good night. Where is it morning right now? The UK or something? What does CF stand for? Curly fries. Duh. Oh, it's PM in the UK, right? Right. Oh, were you chasing that short? Oh, yeah. Okay, 2 minutes. I want to see it start running here. I don't even care which direction. Just go. China is morning. What? Hey, you can't say that stuff on my stream, bro. We got kids up in here. You get a timeout now. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. You'll be untimed out on the next macro. Harder. Volume imbalance. Yeah, we'll see. Crypto physio. Marilyn M. Anson. That's funny. 3, 2, 1. Do it. Ta-da! Nothing burger. Yeah, John Doe called it. One more wacky write up, maybe. 323. So we started moving just the wrong way. Great. Huh. Anybody know what the sentiment is like out there? I haven't been looking. Who's bullish? Is everybody bullish or bearish on this Powell character? Is 23 significant or something? Go check it out, bro. Go study it. 223 and 323. Go and take a peeky poo. That looks like it's going to snap up really hard. I just don't know how far it's going to want to go. This is going to be the longest 4 minutes of your life. I met a ETH bear at my coffee shop this morning. We talked for an hour. That was a lot of fun. That's dope. He's probably just loves Solana. He's like he just came from the hotel room. From the Solana girls room. Ah. The chair, yeah. The mugged chair. What's up, Reliable J? Banging on with the retard juice. So I don't mind that we're pumping into this news event here. It's not the worst thing that could happen. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. This is where my adrenaline kicks in right here. 2 minutes to the bell. He was quoting YouTubers I never heard of. Really felt bad for him. Yeah. He dressed like a bum. Yeah, well, the entire Solana ecosystem they just keep getting rinsed. One rug after another. It's a cesspool over there. Solana reminds me of the Telegram of social medias. You just, as soon as you get on it, your wallets are drained. Everybody's trying to message you. We have this wonderful opportunity. Passive income, blah, blah, blah. Oh, you were scammed? Let me help you. Meanwhile, it's a scammer scamming you. It's probably the same guy that scammed you too. He's just really good. Yeah, the government, we're here to help. Good one. All right, here we go. 30, 230. I would have liked it to hit the red line first. Dang it. I didn't want to see it close above the midway point. That's lame. But it happened. One single clean snap down would be really cool. Oh, tough to say. We're at a halfway point of a deviation of Asia's range. Could be it. Maybe not. Maybe one more high. We got to close below consequent encroachment. Good enough. Oh my gosh, never mind. Okay, go up then. Man, she hungry. Boo. Okay, right in here, this is my line in the sand. We either make a nice reversal model right here or we snap for an all-time high. It'll be a lot more exhilarating to watch these candles on a 15-second chart because they're likely going to be ruthless. There we go. Does this bearish order block want to hold? So far, so good. So once we start bleeding, this is what I do, you guys. Okay, see how I was in the 15-second chart, and my 15-second did the thing, my 1 minute did the thing. So now I'm gonna rest here in the 5 minute and wait for this puppy. So you guys that are executing way too early and you're basically like guessworking it, you can use this strategy to find your model in a 1 minute, then it'll bleed into the 5 minute, then it'll go into the 15 minute. You can do this with anything, bull flags, head and shoulders, is whatever. Just make sure your model's present. So I see my reversal profile bleeding out. We're in the 5 minute chart. We took buy side liquidity. I really want to be a part of this move. So if the 5 minute gives me an opportunity, I will engage. Wow, that's nice. So now that I'm here, I'm going into my 15 minute. I want to see it do the same thing here. So far, so good. So target 1, target 2, target 3, and terminus is way below. There. So if you're in a 1 minute chart after that stop hunt and you're a pattern trader, this is where your favorite pattern's likely going to form. The opposite direction that price initially went, and this is why your breakout trades are not working. Because the people who chase that long instead of counter trading it, they're underwater and likely going to get stopped out here right away. Where does the books tell you to put your stops? Right about a little more painful. If you're long right now, you'd be like, oh, you're good. You're safe. You're safe. So this is the 15-minute cycle now, coming to an end in the next couple of minutes. Look at that Darth Maul lightsaber. That's funny. "54 seconds. So the 15-second, the 1 minute, the 5-minute have all done the model. So now we're waiting on the 15-minute. This is why and how you can save yourself a lot of heartache executing in smaller time frames, just using the bellwether here, the 15-minute chart. So that's the bearish order block on the 5-minute. And it's got 15 seconds to close. Look at it. It's closing above the orange shaded area and the down close candles. That sucks. Go down. I want it to drop hard. Why? Just because. Everybody else's, their lungs are all in profit. So I'm attacking everybody. Hiya. So now you gotta wait another 15 minutes. Well, that's annoying. Boring. Back to the chat. Yeah, it's just bouncing around PD arrays here. Annoying, but whatever. The Darth Powell, that's a good one, actually. No rate cuts. What a friggin' surprise, huh? It looks sort of bullish. I know. That's why I'm looking for a short, buddy. Someday you'll figure it out. You'll understand. Hello, any prop firms you like? No. I don't really like any of them. There's some that I like the least, but no, not typically. I subscribe to their services, but I don't shill that. I don't shill affiliate links. I don't do any of that. I want you all to know that my opinion in the market is genuine, and I'm not just sitting here trying to collect your reset money. So there. Especially for all the haters out there. He's got integrity. Yeah. And I mean, I know people that are doing it and making a killing. But, yeah. I know people that are doing this and making a killing too. Trading NASDAQ. Wink, wink. We got the nothing burger, no sauce. You know, we did get the stop hunt to the upside. Like, I'm fairly convinced it's going to want to go and run out the targets here. Like, I'm fairly convinced. It's just being kind of a freak show about it, you know? It definitely doesn't want anybody a part of the ride if it's going to run anywhere. You know, that's what our accumulation range will do for us. It'll trap traders who are very emotional and have been stopped out many times. They'll just go, oh, I'll put a buy limit order here so when it starts breaking out to the upside, I'm triggered into long because I'm a genius. And I'll put a sell order here in case we start breaking out to the downside, and then I'll be in on the momentum because I'm a genius. No, you sell short from the buy stops and then trade them for the losing sell stops down here. Just like, come on. That's funny. Just like that. It's torturing the longs. That's what it's doing. Like, just pretend you were long for a second and your stop was there. You'd be like, yay, I'm a genius. I'll put my stop where the book said. I'm good. Five minutes later, the box. All right. 13 seconds and let's get our arses going. Let's go check out Pelosi's house. We'll go to Pelosi's liquidity pool. There we go. Boom. Target 1, target 2. I'm going to take one partial here if I'm afforded the opportunity. Otherwise, whatever. And then terminus here. Harder. So that's consequent encroachment of the new week opening gap. If we bounce here, I'm going to be choked. Thoroughly choked. It's got to melt through it. Dang, I forgot to record it. Sorry, guys. I like recording my trades for you. Boo. Yeah, there's no way it's not going there. And which bear flag did I tell you was going to rock? That one right there. Target acquired. Boom. Measured move is hit. You just got to wait for the stop hunt, you guys. That's the ticket to everything. Reverse. That's how you counter trade yourselves. And if you're in on the Discord, just come hang out with me and Sam for a while and we'll teach you how to trade. Like, legit. You don't have to be wrecking yourself anymore. I'm stubborn. Hit it. I'm not front running my exit on this one. It's going to hit. That's awesome. Where did you get in? The top. In the buy side liquidity pool. Where I said, hey, here's the thing. I just don't run signals here, so you get to watch the recording. I usually upload them on Twitter or in Discord. All those longs at the double bottom are feeling pretty pukey right now. Snap. Like a thumbtack, just prick their finger. Bam, and that's Uncle Phil. Thank you. Stops going up to entry. So my entry is literally the bottom of this box right here. Stop loss was up here at the bearish order block. So basically I played well, I guess I didn't. I was going to try and cherry pick a pattern, but no. Harder. Straight to Pelosi's house. I want to see that sucker hit. Let's go pee in her pool. And so to my good morning friends, my private friends, this liquidity pool here and that annotation is the premium of the discount rejection block given to you last night for targets. This exit I might front run. Right somewhere in here. Just one more little drop there. Pretty please. 400 ticks. I'll take it. And that's how I trade, you guys. I'll upload the recording. What came of it anyway, but you'll see my entry. Bam. Oh, God bless you, girl pal. Thank you. Beautiful. Drop a Snicker in Pelosi's pool. I'll leave that one up to you. I just, that's a little weird for me. you can have at her. The Snicker. Oh, that's funny. Bro, look, BTC 1 hour. Nah. Bam. Feels good to be on side, you guys. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining. I appreciate you so much, and we will see you very soon. Peace.